Hello there, I'm Stephanie at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited that you pushed that join the club, or I want to subscribe, or hey, I want more information, because I have some wonderful clubs to tell you about. Now, there's a couple different things I want to start out first by saying. We've been in business since 2009. We've been a kit club or a subscription club or a craft club, whatever you want to call it, since 2009. So we've been doing this a long time. Now we have 4 different kits that you can subscribe to. We have the Stamp Club, the Die Hard Club, the Fold It Club, also known as Shaped Cards, and the Kits Club, the Card Kit Club. So there's lots of fun different options for you, and there's also combinations of different ones. But before we get into that, let's just start by saying, what's the first one? The first one is the Stamp Club. Now, the Stamp Club is a brand new stamp set every month sent to you automatically. You don't have to go on the website. You don't have to do anything. It's automatically sent to you like a subscription. And it's always a 4x6 stamp set, and it's always brand new. I design new ones every month. And then as a club member or subscriber, you get lots of different benefits. Now, before I talk about the benefits, I want to tell you that it's a 4x6 stamp set. It's always brand new because, again, I design new ones every month. It's always going to be very general in theme. For example, this is one that we've had in the past. It has cute little bunnies and some fun sayings and things like that. Now, you might be saying, ooh, Stamp Club, I like that. It's only $13.99 a month, and that includes shipping. Now, if there's tax, we'll have to charge you tax. Now, if you're in Canada, it's only 50 cents more. Can you believe it? And international, we add just a little bit more than that. It's unbelievable. Now, you're saying, wow, well, I really like stamps, but I'm not going to cut those out. And you know what? I'm with you. So then we came out with the Die Hard Club. So it's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but with the dies also. They come automatically in that shipment, shipped right to your door. It's so convenient. But the best part about being in the club or being a subscriber to our kits is all the extra benefits. Not only do you get things sent to you like Happy Mail, which who doesn't love Happy Mail, right? What are some of the benefits? For example, as any club member, if you join any club, you get a 15% discount off of our entire website. No exclusions. That includes die cut machines, die cutting plates, dies, stamps, cardstock, adhesive, totally Tiffany items, anything you want, 15% every single day that you're a club member. Now, is that just like a one-time offer? No. It's every single order you place on our website. Can you believe it? I mean, come on. Now, during the month, we offer different types of releases also. Now, those are all optional. You can go check them out, see if you're interested. And most of the time, when an item is brand new on our website, we'll offer it at a flash sale price. That means for 24 hours, the first 24 hours it's on the website, it's at an extra special discount. Now, it's the first 24 hours it's on the site or until it sells out. So whichever is first. So you got to get in quick. On our releases, we have them on the 1st, 7th, 15th, 20th, and 25th of the month. We even have some subscribers that set alarms on their phones to make sure they don't miss out. Because if an item is on flash sale and you're a subscriber or a club member, boom, you're getting the flash sale price and the club discount. So you get double discounts. But wait, there's more, because not only do you get your club discount, you are also earning club points on every shipment and every purchase you make on our website. And club points can be used just as money on our website. It's amazing, right? So you get 15% off on our website, off of everything, even online classes. You get club points on every purchase. And every couple months, I like to throw in freebies. So you might even get freebies on your monthly shipments. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website if you're in one of these clubs. The Stamp Club, Stamp Club, or the Die Hard Club. Exciting, right? Now, the Stamp Club is $13.99 a month plus tax if necessary. The Die Hard Club is $29.99 a month. Now, Canada, again, it's I think an extra 50 cents for shipping. Now, that's 2 clubs. The next club I have is our newest club, and probably one of our more popular ones now. It is the Shaped Card Club, meaning we offer fold-its that are shaped cards. Now, these are really exciting because these are exclusive to the club for at least 1 year. You cannot buy the club shipments. You can only subscribe and be a club member to the club shipments. So this one was a hot air balloon, really fun. The nice thing is it also comes with 2 5x7 stencils. And all of our clubs, by the way, come with a cute little postcard that has ideas for you, and all of our clubs have an online gallery on our website that you can go and favorite, you can print out, you can check all the ideas out. So the inspiration is pretty much unlimited because you have so many different options. Now, the Fold It Club ships on the 24th through the end of the month. Now, usually it's closer to the 24th, but we give ourselves a couple extra days on that. Now, the Stampin' Die Hard Club ships on the 1st, guaranteed each and every month. So we have this on the 1st, this at the end of the month after the 24th, and this one's really, really fun. And if you haven't gotten into shaped cards, oh me, oh my, you need to go check out our website because we have so many different options. Now, the next one is the Kit Club. Card Kit Club, the good stuff. This is a box of goodies shipped to you automatically each and every month on the 15th of the month. Now, this is extra exciting because it's a box. The fun thing is it's going to coordinate with our Stampin' Die Hard clubs. We have a lot of customers that are in this club and the Kit Club. Now, if you're in this one and the Kit Club, you don't get 15% off our website. You get 20% off every single order that you place on our website as long as you're a club member. Not just one order, every single order, 20% off. 15, 20% off. It's like a sale every day on our website. Isn't that amazing? Now, remember I said it's going to coordinate with this one. So there might be a pattern paper pad that matches this set that you could die cut, different things like this. Now, the example that I have to share with you today is a newer one. And I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what you're going to see in your kit. For example, you're going to get a nice big 8.5 by 11 plastic folder to hold anything you want. It can hold cardstock, it can hold your kit, it can hold big dies, whatever you want. It's really handy dandy. You are going to get cardstock. Now, cardstock, of course, right? You need to make those cards. Now, the card kit will give you enough product to make a minimum of 12 cards. Most people make way more than that, but we just say 12 just to have a number. So you're going to get a whole bunch of different cardstocks, yay, and it's all themed. So when you grab a box of this, you know everything in this box is going to go together. There's no, ooh, does this match this? Or, oh, I don't know if this matches this. No, we've done all of that for you. It is literally done for you. You don't have to worry about if this matches that or whatever. It's all done for you, which is so nice. Sometimes you just want to create. You don't want to have to worry about, does this match? Now, you have some fun little pearls in this kit. You have a beautiful ribbon in this kit. You have a die set that says, you are the best. You have, oh, here's your postcard. Remember, you're always going to get a postcard, and it shows a couple different examples. Ooh, this one even had some freebies in it just for fun. And there's some cute little paper clip embellishments, some puffy stickers. Now, this is just an example of the kits that you would be getting. There's some epoxy buttons in this one, which is really fun. Ooh, there's another die set of this one. This one says, so kind. Oh, remember those folded cards we were talking about? The shaped cards, what we call fold-its? Here's one in A1 size in this kit. Over a $20 value die right here in this kit, which is absolutely amazing, right? So fun. Oh, and of course you get envelopes because every time you're going to need envelopes, and the paper pad. I have so much fun designing these paper pads. Let's just look at this. It's 24 sheets, double-sided. The best part is, listen to this. This is one sheet. It's more like cardstock, right? It is double-sided, printed in the United States. Thank you very much. Look at how gorgeous those beautiful colors are. So this matched our Posies Stampin' Die set. Look at how pretty those colors are. So kind, so kind. Beautiful background colors as well if you want to. Oh, look at that one. That's one of my favorites right there. All of these gorgeous colors. Now you're getting 24 sheets. You're getting 12 fronts and backs, so you're getting 24 designs, and you're getting them on 24 sheets total. Look at how gorgeous those all are. Absolutely love those. So pretty. And then look at that. Oh, I love sometimes you get black, and then we start all over again because we do 2 of each. So awesome, right? Now also, just to note, on the front of our pads, we will tell you what colors we pulled to make this kit. So if you have extra cardstock or you need matching ink, all of that is on our website and available, and eventually you might even have it all, right? Now, remember when I said some people are in more than one club? For example, if you're in the Stamp and Die Hard Club and you're in the card kit box, that means you get 2 shipments of Happy Mail a month. That means you are a gold member. Now, we even have some people that absolutely love us, and we are so appreciative. We have quite a few that are in the Stamp Die Hard Club, they're in the Fold It Club, and they're in the Card Kit Box Club, meaning they get 3 shipments of Happy Mail a month from us. Can you believe it? Imagine all that Happy Mail. Imagine getting all of those wonderful, yummy goodies sent to them automatically. Now, they are called Diamond members, and they get extra club points each month. They get 20% off the website and extra club points each and every month as a little tiny thank you. Now, if you stay in the Kit Club for a full year on your anniversary month, you're going to get a $25 gift certificate to our website. Can you believe it? I know, it's like we almost pay you to be club members, because you know what? It's so much fun. It's great to get this Happy Mail sent to you automatically. You don't have to say, ooh, what should I do? What should I do? The inspiration is there for you, delivered directly to your door, and then you just get to have fun. And then you also definitely need to go to Facebook and join our official Stamps of Life fan page. Now, we don't run it. A group of wonderful fans run it, and we have so much fun on there. You can show your creations, you can ask questions. Make sure you search Facebook for the official Stamps of Life fan page. It's a wonderful, safe, happy place to be. Wow, lots of information, right? But you know what? What it boils down to is, what club is the right one for you? Is it the Stamp Club, the Die Hard, the Folded Card Club, also known as the Fold It or Shaped Card, or the Card Kit Box, or maybe it's a combination of some of those? That is the hardest part. You got to pick which ones you want to be in. Let me tell you, we love to spoil our club members. So decide which ones you want to join. Click on those, join the club, get in, get going. Your discount to our website starts immediately, meaning the second you say, I want to subscribe, boom, you get that discount. So join one of these kits, pick which one you want to do, and then you can go to our website and start shopping and have some fun. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@thestampsoflife.com or use the Contact Us page through our website, and we'd be happy to help you. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.